Welcome to another episode of This Old Hooptie, where I take this piece of crap and try and make it into something a little more pretty, I hope. In today's video, we're going to replace the mirrors, but not with the mirrors I just refinished, because I just broke one of those. I'll show you that here. Yep, not paying attention, just cost me 50 bucks. But since it's going to cost me about 50 bucks, we're going to upgrade the mirrors to these little bad boys. These are kind of like knockoffs of, I believe, the 454 or the old street scene mirrors. So we're going to swap out the old ones that we just painted. Okay, you guys have seen the new mirrors, or the new mirrors that we're going with, and now let's get them on the truck. Let's get started. So the mirrors on these old trucks are easy to get off. There's 3 bolts that are on the back of each of the mirror. To get them off, you got to take the door panel off inside, and then you're going to keep your 6 nuts, 3 from each side. Those are going to be reused to put back on the new mirrors. 92 to 94 models, you're going to pull the plastic cover plate off. On mine it has billet over it, but you'll pull that plastic cover plate off over here. And then each one of the switches has a little locking tab on the top and the bottom. So you just kind of push that in at the same time as pushing forward. And the same thing on the bottom. And then each one comes out like so. With the little plugs, you'll push this in. And on the other side, you'll push this in. And then you just pull the whole thing out. Once you've popped each one of the switches out, the wire harness will just slide up and out of the track, like so. There's a little clip on the bottom here. Just push it in and push it up. And then pull your piece off. There you go. Push these back in the door. You should have 1 bolt in here. And then we're going to pull the panel off. Once your panel's been removed, you'll have a little piece of foam in here, or you won't, depending upon who's touched your car, and you'll see the back side of those 3 bolt holes that hold the mirror on. Next step is to remove these plastic bolt covers, which are really just used in shipping. We're going to use the new seal here instead of the old one. It's in better condition. So attaching these to the door, there are 10mm nuts. We're going to attach it through the door, reusing the original nuts that came off of the original mirrors. Let's get this in place. There we go. Being careful not to break it, we're going to hand tighten each one of the little nuts and then just give it a little twist because it is metal going into plastic. You don't want to strip them or pull it out. And here's a view from the other side. This is probably the toughest one to get on, so you don't drop the nut all the way down into the bottom. So we're gonna do it with the tips of our fingers. Wish me luck. All right. And then the third one is up top in here. Makes it easier if you hold the mirror from the other side while cinching these down. That way it doesn't vibrate back and forth or move. To make things easier on us, we're going to use a flexible joint to get into those weird shapes and tighten this down. And like I said, nothing crazy tight, just enough to lock it in. All right, that's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. Double check that we got no wiggles and no movement. We don't. And there is our beautiful mirror. So the square lines definitely fit more in line with this truck, in my opinion, to each his own. Kind of sucks that I literally broke something that I just got done refinishing, but it is what it is. We keep moving forward. We got the square mirrors on there. I like the way they turned out anyways, so it's money well spent. Let's get this buttoned up and get the other side put together, and then we'll take another look. Be right back. Same process on this side, so I'll do this one really quick. And for those of you with a good eye, you'll notice that I do not have the sill plates on, and that is because I ordered a set of billet ones to match everything else. Figured, why not? So these will be being replaced with billet door sills in another video. Keep your eye out for that one. And let's do this real quick on the time lapse, and then I'll show you the new look.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Okay, we got our new mirrors in. Man, I really love the way these turned out. The more square, the better. After all, this truck is square. So the round ones did kind of throw it off a little bit. They were a little like elephant ears. But these are beautiful. Very nice. Now they're ready to help me see on the road. Excellent. Okay, that's going to do it for today's video. You guys know what to do. Like it if you like, don't if you don't, subscribe to keep up with my latest shenanigans, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.